क्योंकि we also submitted so many things during our BTech also, MTech also, PhD also. So summation सबका हो जाता है, चाहे किसी को समझ में आए चाहे किसी को समझ में ना आए, and everybody submitted 100% correct, क्योंकि वो सभी का एक मास्टर कॉपी बन जाता है, राइट? तो सबमिशन सभी का होता है, तो उससे कुछ, बट इवन तो एक्चुअली क्योंकि जब बंदा कुछ कर रहा होता है, somebody is doing from himself or herself, everybody have a curiosity, right? कि भाई मैंने किया तो at least I can share it. That much तो is quite common. उसका कोई, आप ये नहीं कह सकते कि उसका कोई विकल्प है या कुछ है, वो होता है, क्योंकि जब आप मेहनत से कुछ करेंगे आप थोड़ी चुप बैठे रहेंगे। कैन यू थोड़ा भी मेहनत करोगे, थोड़ा भी यदि टाइम लगाओगे, nobody can keep you silent actually, or nobody can make you silent, no matter whether internet connectivity and this, that. Even though you can share the thing immediately after the class whenever you will get the connectivity. So these are some issues. Connectivity is a problem, but still I want that कि वो सारी चीज़ों को एक तरफ रख के somehow we should cope up actually with the thing. Okay, so therefore, from now I am requesting that everybody should sit with a pen and paper. So whatever derivations, questions I am showing to you, I am just requesting that do it here actually. So because you are at present, you are overcrushed actually. I will not say crushed, overcrushed actually. And I don't know because every person, because the administration also said you have to give 50 marks for your internal and all this. So everybody might be throwing a bunch of questions on you every day actually. And so that's quite possible actually. And but therefore I thought it's better actually whatever we are doing in class, at least that much if we can do during that time also, at least दिमाग में कुछ तो जाएगा। यहाँ पे सुनने में सब कुछ अच्छा लगता है, नो डाउट है, सुनने में हमेशा सब कुछ अच्छा लगता है, but that time comes just to bring that down on paper. I don't hope more than 5% student can do it in one go actually. Until unless we have not done it. So हम कुछ कर ही नहीं रहे, हम बैठ के यहाँ पे सुन रहे हैं बस only. कोई शादी में खड़े होकर सुन रहा है, कोई कहीं सुन रहा है, आई डोंट नो क्यों सुन रहा है, दैट इज ऑल्सो आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड। जब आप उस पर फोकस ही नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, क्यों सुन रहे हैं? मत कनेक्ट करिए ना। वीडियो लेक्चर का जैसा रिकॉर्डिंग तो आपको आ ही जाएगा, अटेंडेंस के लिए मत कनेक्ट करिए, बिकॉज अटेंडेंस के लिए कोई भी डिटेल हो नहीं रहा है फालतू की बात। तो इतना सारा सब कुछ है, तो व्हाई टू मेक द थिंग्स एज अ फॉर्मेलिटी। अब कल दिन कौन सा वो कह रहा था उसके यहाँ पे शादी चल रहा है, वो कुछ सुन नहीं सकता, फिर भी वो कनेक्टेड था।
सर पड़ोस में चल रही थी, हम क्यों
हाँ
डीजे
तो
लगाए हुए थे, मैं घर में बैठा था।
वो चले गई ऐसे ही, कोई पड़ोस में डीजे बजा रहा है, कोई ड्रम बजा रहा है, कोई कुछ, यू कैन नॉट हैंडल इट एक्चुअली।
यस सर, एंड दैट्स व्हाई क्लास तो लगानी।
वो वो
बात
पास में जरा सा भी नॉइज आता है, एंड इफ यू हैव हेडफोन देन ओके, otherwise with headphone also the noise is very loud also, you cannot handle it actually.
यस सर।
So those are some constraints, but even though I would say that at least for my class, I don't know others actually, at least for my class I don't follow to giving bombardment of so many questions and all this, no. I just follow a strict way that whatever I teach based on each formula or derivation, whatever we are doing, at least one problem we do in class. Based on that, maybe probably one or two problem may be there in tutorial. I don't give more than 10 questions also in tutorial. You might have seen also that whatever tutorial worksheet you did, 10 और 12 से ज्यादा नहीं किसी में भी, क्योंकि उसका कोई पॉइंट नहीं बनता है. If you have understood well, if you can solve one or two unknown problems, that is enough actually. ये नो गारंटी कि आपने 1000 क्वेश्चन मगअप कर लिए तो 1001 वाला आप कर पाओगे. जब आपको इनने कुछ जो समझे नहीं तो करेंगे कहाँ से आप. तो so I just want everybody to have a keep on pen and paper, and whenever I say do it yourself, you have 5 minute time. Please use that 5 minute time precisely. वो 5 मिनट सोचने या समझने के लिए नहीं है, और मैं आपसे कुछ करने के लिए ज्यादा कुछ करना नहीं चाहता दिस, क्योंकि थ्योरी पढ़ा दिया गया वेल एंड गुड. उसके बाद जितना मैं करने को कहता हूँ इट्स प्योरली मैथमेटिक्स. डू आई need to ask you to think something to develop a new theory of fluid mechanics? No, I am not. Am I saying that way? मैं आपको एक क्वेश्चन देता हूँ, उसका फार्मूला भी आपको दिया है, सब कुछ दिया है. यू आर सपोज टू यूज दैट एंड जस्ट अप्लाई योर नॉलेज ऑफ मैथमेटिक्स. और दैट मच तो आई कैन एक्सपेक्ट एक्चुअली फ्रॉम ऑल ऑफ यू, क्योंकि मैथमेटिक्स तो हम आई कैन से बाय बर्थ ही पढ़ रहे हैं. क्योंकि 9th से 10th से इंटीग्रेशन इंटीग्रेशन पता नहीं 10th में होता नहीं है, इंटीग्रेशन डिफरेंस जो जो भी है, बट वी and that is not also very tough, simply multiplication only. Only thing, it's just a matter of interest and confidence. इंटरेस्ट होगा तो कॉन्फिडेंस भी डेवलप होगा, इंटरेस्ट नहीं हो तो कॉन्फिडेंस कब तक साथ देगा. ओके. So in the
Yes,
last
sir.
class, actually, we were talking about Bernoulli thing. So we did the derivation of Bernoulli by one of the means by taking the streamline case. Other way also you can do this Bernoulli also from your momentum equations which we have derived. We have derived this one, right? We have derived this one. So we can also derive our Bernoulli from here, from Euler equation here, because we have already considered here inviscid flow. So if you will put steady state, your first term will go away. Fine. If you are talking about totally let's say one-dimensional flow, so just leave one term here. Out of these three, just leave one. So let's say you are talking about the flow in x direction only. Okay. So if you are talking in flow in x direction, so what will happen here? This you don't have this v component of velocity, because you are talking about x component motion. So you have only u. U would be non-zero, v and w would be zero. I am not talking about this term del u upon del y. I am not talking about del u upon del z. These may or may not be zero. I am not saying these are zero. I am just saying that v and w, because we are talking the motion is totally in x direction. So therefore, only u is non-zero. V and W are zero. That is the only condition, just to have the motion is only in x direction. If you are talking, let's say, motion in y direction, only in y direction means your v is non-zero. Rest of the component of velocity u and w are zero. Same thing can be done for z direction motion. So in that case, what you have, your w is so your W is actually non-zero and U and V are zero. It is fine that what do you mean by totally one-dimensional flow?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
one-dimensional
sir.
means you have only one component of velocity, rest are zeros. So can you make that constraint on equation 1? Just take a note down the equation on your paper. Take it here, first make it constant steady state. Steady state will give you the term del upon del t term would be zero, because nothing would be a function of time. That is the thing would come from steady state condition. Just do this thing on paper. And then you are putting a constraint one-dimensional flow. It means U is non-zero, V and W are zero. So just make all these two changes in equation number 1 and let's see what are you getting. Equation number 1 में ये दो changes करिए and let's see what are you getting. So you did these two changes. First thing, this one was cancelled due to steady state thing. This, if you want to write in the denominator of that, you can, this was cancelled due to, you should know the logic, why it is getting cancelled. This is for a steady state condition. Nothing is function of time. Now, this is being cancelled by putting that, you can say totally or purely one dimensional flow in x direction. This will give me the condition that u is not equal to 0. So you will have a symbol here is not equal to 0. And rest of the terms are 0. Their v is equal to 0 and w equal to 0. This will come from this line, totally one-dimensional flow in direction x. This condition will give me these two things actually. So I can copy this here. I can write same thing for this w also. Okay. So if you do that, you will get it. You can rewrite that equation again. उसको लिखने के बाद क्या बचता है आपके पास यहाँ density बच गया. Yes or no? Then ये आपके पास बच गया. And this side you left with this much. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can I integrate it with respect to dx? I want to just, I
Yes,
got
sir.
this. Now I want to integrate it in x direction with respect to x. So I will put an integration sign for this. And let's say I have put a integration sign for this one. And this I am integrating with respect to dx only. Same thing for this also. I am doing so same thing for this. So I have also put here this dx and same thing for this term also. So I have just integrated this also with respect to dx. Okay. I'm just integrating this. So let's say after integration.
Yes, sir.
So one more thing before that. This you have del. Del is partial derivative because here you say now you are saying the u is only the function of in x direction. So your partial you can convert it to the total actually. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
because partial
Yes,
you
sir.
cannot means the integrated this way actually. So you can convert partial into total because you have just one variable. So you can convert that to total variable thing. So let's see what the next line will come. So next line would be your del u square by 2. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
कितना हो
Yes,
जाएगा?
sir.
Now this is for this side. What
Yes,
about
sir.
this side? You will get minus p only,
P.
right?
Yes, sir.
And this side you are getting
Yes, sir.
that rho gx only. Rho gx, yeah, it's not copied. You have rho g suffix x and multiply by again x. Because integration of dx would be x only. Now you put your the limits here. So limit you can substitute here on this the limits. So if you want to put a limit on that from let's say 0.1 to 2, just substitute that from 1 to 2. This also from 1 to 2. So you have the limit for this also. You have 1 to 2 for this. Same thing for this also. A limit from 1 to 2. And you can put a constant also there if you want actually. Or you can say for time being constant equal to 0 also. So let's say what are you getting from here? So from first one, what will you get? You will get first, let's say u1 square, correct or not? पहले वाले से
U2
क्या
square
मिल
minus
जाएगा? या
U2
U2
sir,
square
u,
U2
minus
is square minus U1.
हाँ, you will get first is u2 square, then you will get another term there that u1 square here, and then equal to this sign here. This will get how much is that? This will be actually your p2
Sir, P1 minus P2.
no, it will be minus p2 and plus p1, right? Is
Yes,
that
sir.
fine? Last one. Last one will be your rho g.
X2 minus rho g x1.
So you will get x2, you will get again same thing, and x1. So let me write it in terms of suffix something. So if you write that, so can you arrange it? Take all one term to one side and two term to another side. So if you will write it in the one side here, so let's say this side I am writing only term of 2, so this is also getting to this side, and this will become now plus here. Now this is coming from here, this is going to a minus side, correct? And this side you are getting, this side is plus, and this you already have plus here, and this you already this you have here minus, right?
Yes, sir.
Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Does
sir.
it look like Bernoulli or not?
So minus sign rho g.
वो
Yes, sir. Minus sign आ रहा है.
that I can explain. Is it fine
Yes,
till
sir.
here?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Mm.
So ये minus sign will automatically will be take care the time you put the solve it here. इस minus sign का कुछ आप can you think about some logic for that why this minus is here? तो क्या बर्नौली में कोई मतलब you are not using any मतलब logic there, you are just using directly that p plus half rho v square plus rho gx, right?
सर
Correct or
ये
not?
कोऑर्डिनेट सिस्टम की वजह से शायद चेंज हो जाएगा अगर हम
Yes,
डायरेक्शन
yes, yes.
अपोजिट कर रहे हैं एक्सेस का.
Yes, that's what only. So if you will take a proper sign of your coordinate system, वो जो आपके पास equation है उसमें आप डायरेक्शन या कोऑर्डिनेट की बात नहीं करते, you are just putting a magnitude there. Okay, so here you are putting with their sign and coordinate the system, so if you will just follow that you will get exactly same. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And I can tell you here why this minus is also there and all this. As you will move in this side of the motion, your because here the u2 का तो आप power 2 कर ही रहे हैं, तो whenever you will do it proper sign of that, you will automatically get a same answer as from the previous. The previous one you are talking in terms of magnitude only. You are talking about magnitude, total energy. You are not talking about in terms of plus and minus way there. Fine. You are just taking total
Yes, sir.
energy magnitude there. So here you are just taking with their coordinate system actually. Therefore, this this is the one of the alternate way to do the derivation of Bernoulli from Euler equations. Fine. So you can drive it by two ways. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Fine.
Yes, sir.
So this is one thing. Now, we have talked about already what the constraints of Bernoulli equations are. I hope everybody might have finished this derivation in the notebooks.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine.
Yes,
Yes.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
next thing is why it is taking some time to say. So next thing I was talking in the last class because we did all these continuity derivation, mass derivation, momentum derivation in a rectilinear coordinate, x by z. So this now in our chemical engineering in all plants also we talk about the actually flow in actually you can say pipes also, right? So most of the time we talk about pipe. This open channel flow, river, dam, and duct is one of the part, but we talk about flow through the closed channel. Closed channel means most of them is pipe only. So this part I was talking to in the last class, the derivation of conservation of mass in cylindrical coordinate. So cylindrical coordinate means you just have a pipe actually, or you can say a circle, if you say from front side, and this is a one of the segment of that. So you can understand from here that this is you have taken uh, a circle of radius r here. Fine. R you are taking at the center of this particular control volume, at the center actually. Fine. As you can see here, this is your the orienters. This is at the center here, center of this control mass, and this is your coordinate system. You are choosing the coordinate system at this particular point. Now, if you say here from here to here distance is r, and this you are changing it by dr. So dr is this one. Now, again, this will have the six surface. One surface is this. One surface is this one. One is this top surface. One is this back surface here, and this left and right and bottom. This will also have the six surfaces as we did in case of previously in a rectilinear coordinate. Now, again, we will do the same thing here that let's say at the center you have this center of this control volume. Your actually velocity in direction r is vr. Direction z is you can say the length of the cylinder. I can draw maybe a piece of paper something. So this you can say is practically this way. You can fold this paper. So this is this type of case only. So this z direction is vertically upside. R direction is in this plane only. Okay, R direction is going out from the center, and then theta is just to make the full circle only. That is the theta coordinate. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
you have these three coordinate here. So at the center you have considered velocity in r direction vr, a velocity in z direction vz, velocity in theta direction v theta. Now we can do also same Taylor series means expansion for that also. What would be my velocity if I change from r to dr by 2? So you will have del vr upon del r multiply by dr by 2 plus br, right? That is from Taylor series expansion, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So that you have this table actually. So this table says first you are going to plus r side. The second row you just focus on the second row here. So you have velocity here is vr. You are going to dr by 2 to actually from plus side. So you have del v upon del r multiplied by dr by 2. This is your velocity there. Now same thing for density. So density is rho, again the Taylor series expansion, del rho upon del r into dr by 2. This is your density. You got density, you got velocity. So in mass conservation, what you need? Rho v dot dA, right? So first is rho, next is v, you need dA. How would I get the differential area? So let's go back. We want a differential area in this, ये वाला differential area चाहिए. मतलब ये आप ये एरिया चाहिए. लेट्स से ये पूरे का पूरा आपका r है. So you have, this is theta. So how can you calculate the arc length? Do you know how to calculate this arc? ये वाला length, ये जो part है, this length.
Sir, R d theta.
Yes. So arc length is because theta is arc upon radius. This is the d theta. So arc length would be d theta into r only. Simple, right? So
Yes,
that
sir.
is what you have. Now, if you will
Yes.
say this front and back front, so obviously there is change. क्योंकि यहाँ पे आप पीछे जाएंगे, but theta is same. Only things, there is change in r because you have added dr by 2, right? So that you can consider here this side. So you have taken r plus dr by 2. This is the area of your backside bump. Because you have moved from r in the center, you move to dr by 2. So that is the arc length at that particular point. R plus dr by 2 multiplied by d theta. That is your arc length. Multiplied by dz. Dz is vertical, the distance here. This one is vertical distance is dz. So this length multiplied by this would be your area AR. AR whose perpendicular is going in R direction. Fine.
Yes.
So that way you have the multiply here, this one. So now your part is just to multiply all these particular term and let's see, are you getting this the equal one or not? इजी है वैसे तो. आपका मल्टीप्लिकेशन बाय पार्ट्स ही करना है. पहले आप रो से मल्टीप्लाई कर दीजिए, फिर आप दिस से मल्टीप्लाई करिए. You have three terms there. So I just want at least you people just multiply for this row at least. इसको करिए जरा, क्या आता है. Can you get this or not? Just do it, all of you. ये वन ऑफ द सिंसियर स्टूडेंट किधर गया हमारा, ये पल्लवी किधर गई? She used to respond previously. Now where has she gone? Has she gone on vacation somewhere?
Yes, sir.
You are there.
Yes, sir.
What happened to you suddenly? You don't respond now. You are the only girl who give the respond in entire class so far. You know, no one else has responded even once. Even if I ask them many times to turn on video, this, that, and all this. So बोलते रहिए, अच्छा लगता है सभी को. बाकी स्टूडेंट से भी यही कहना है, just keep on talking. Because talking will help you to clarify your doubts. And not only this course, there are so many things because we are student teachers and student teachers are connected lifelong. So if we don't interact here, how will we interact the later on also? So just drive this one, the second line, and let's see, are you getting this or not? यू कैन सी, आप भी करिए, मैंने भी किया हुआ है, सो दिस इज आल्सो माय थिंग। सो फर्स्ट आई कैलकुलेटेड डेंसिटी।
यस सर, आ रहा है, सेम आ रहा है
आ भी गया कि नहीं सेम, कहीं ऐसे ही
सर।
मत बोल
फर्स्ट के
देना
3
फालतू
टर्म्स आ
का।
गए अभी तक।
तो बाद वाले तक पहुंचिए, लास्ट तक। सो आई डिड दिस, मैंने भी सीधे ही लिख दिया, एक मल्टीप्लाई किया मैंने एक्चुअली, ये वाला माइनस वाला है, हाँ, मल्टीप्लाइड कंप्लीट एंड आई गॉट दिस। These are the small things. If we will keep on doing, if we will have some interest. पता चला नहीं तो पूरा mathematics differentiation integration, the in within very less time we will give up actually. Everyone got it?
Can you show that slide again?
Slide, okay.
सर इसमें कुछ एडिशनल टर्म्स भी आ रही हैं।
Additional term would be is okay, square terms and those you
Yes, sir.
cancel them.
Okay,
Square
sir.
जहाँ पे आएगा dr by 2 का whole square,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
actually cancel those terms.
Okay, फिर तो आ गई सेम।
Yeah, second order term need to be cancelled. Therefore I asked you ना, you do it only जब आप करेंगे तभी पता चलेगा ना क्या आ रहा था. And then you are putting the logic that why are we cancelling that? So you will say that dr tends to 0 and very small. Therefore, the higher order term, second order term of dr to the power 2 and something are neglected actually. Okay.
यस सर, आ गई सेम।
Okay, sir.
So fine. So
Yes, sir.
once you will
Same.
get this, now these two can be clubbed actually. ये जो term है last वाला, that rho del rho vr upon del r dr by 2 d theta dz and vr del rho r upon, because this is just nothing but integration, I mean the differentiation by parts. So here you have rho del vr, here you have vr and del rho. So you can club these terms, so you will get a one term with this actually, r del upon del r rho vr multiplied by dr by 2 d theta dz. Okay, so these two terms can be clubbed together.
यस सर।
So I clubbed this way here, so you will get this term here, r rho del rho vr upon del r multiplied by dr by 2 d theta dz. First two term would be as it is. ठीक है.
यस सर।
And this is the way to
Yes, sir.
define the sign of V dot A because the area vector, this side did put the -1, so area vector is going to minus R side. Velocity is going plus R side. So this is the, if you will show this arrow, and immediately after that you are putting the minus sign, that makes sense because the directions were the opposite, therefore product is negative. Fine. So
Yes, sir.
similarly, actually, you can do for this minus term also, then this theta, because यहाँ पे कोई दिक्कत नहीं है आपको, till you find that this is Taylor series. Only thing here you need a area term here. So let's say area in theta side. So this is your theta direction in this side. So you want this area, ये वाला area. ये area चाहिए. So this much is your dr. This much is your dz. So area in theta direction is dr into dz. Is that fine?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
because this particular plane is only in theta side. So this is your dr and that much is your dz. So area is d theta. I mean the 8 theta would be dr into dz. So therefore this is being the multiply here. This is the area in theta side. dr into dz. Rest of the product calculation would be same as you did for this one just now. Now let's say for bottom side in z direction one. So z direction area is this much. ये वाला area है. How would I calculate it actually? Here because this length is my length is r plus dr by 2, right? Multiply by d theta, right? ये तो ये है. This much is r minus dr by 2, right? Multiply by d theta. Correct or not?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So
Yes,
this is
sir.
there, and this length is fine. This is okay. This may is the no change. This is dr only. So how would I get this area? Can I get this area r d theta dr? ये तो आपको पढ़ाया गया, right? r d theta dr. This is the area in cylindrical coordinate. यही आपको पढ़ाया गया बहुत दिन पहले. r d theta dr.
Yes, sir.
Correct? Can you tell how would it come from the previous one? Or let's say what I did. You can also see. मैंने भी कुछ किया होगा ना. So let's say what I did here. Somewhere. Where I did for theta side. So theta I just z side. Where is z? This one r d theta dr. Okay. I have not done it here. But can you do that? हो जाएगा कि नहीं? Just try. What will you get the area? मिलेगा किसी को? मुझे ये वाला एरिया चाहिए. From here, this length is just r minus dr by 2 into d theta. एक तो ये है. ये वाले का है r plus dr by 2 into d theta. And this length is fine. This length is just dr. So is there any way to calculate that area? I mean, how can you think about it? Is there any way? How can you think about it?
ट्रपेजियम मान सकते हैं सर इसको.
और ये वाला है just see this one only. ये वाले का ही कैलकुलेट करना है.
सर एक्चुअली ये समझ नहीं आया, बोर्ड पे एक्सप्लेन कर देंगे.
Board, okay. I hope you can see. बोर्ड पे मुझे लगा रहा है बहुत छोटा दिखेगा. I hope so. दिख रहा है कुछ?
सर नहीं दिख रहा अभी तो।
चलो मैं बोल रहा
नो
हूँ।
सर।
मुझे तो दिख रहा है, आपको क्यों नहीं जो दिख रहा है? मैं देख पा रहा हूँ actually।
सर ब्लर है बहुत
हाँ
ज्यादा।
ओके, कोई बात नहीं। चलो ठीक है, आपके पास एक सिलेंडर है, ओके, एक सिलेंडर है जिसका रेडियस है r माइनस डी आर बाई 2, और उसका लेंथ मान लीजिए, कुछ भी लेंथ मान लीजिए, जैसे एल मान लीजिए। उसका आपको कर्व सरफेस बताएंगे जरा मुझे? सिलेंडर का एरिया बता दीजिए। आपके पास रेडियस है r माइनस डी आर बाई 2 और लेंथ है आपके पास l, करेक्ट? कर्व सरफेस की बात हो रही है बस ओनली।
सर
और
पाई
आपके पास
आर माइनस डी आर बाई
पाई
2
नहीं है,
इंटू
देखो
एन।
तो पाई आप पूरी की बात नहीं कर रहे, आपके पास थीटा ही है, डी थीटा ही है ना बस ओनली। आपके पास फुल पाई नहीं है, यू हैव जस्ट डी थीटा ओनली।
ओके सर, फिर डी
राइट,
थीटा आ जाएगा उसकी जगह पे फिर।
डी थीटा आ जाएगा, वो ठीक है वहां तक।
यस सर।
ये तो हो गया इनर सर्कल का कर्व सरफेस। लेट्स से
यस
आउटर
सर।
सर्कल का कर्व सरफेस,
R प्लस डी आर हो जाएगा।
तो उसका हो जाएगा r प्लस डी आर बाई 2 इंटू डी थीटा, राइट? अब दोनों का यदि
यस
मैं
सर।
डिफरेंस निकाल लूंगा, बाहर वाले का और अंदर वाले का, तो आई विल गेट दिस मच ओनली। इतना आ जाएगा। इफ आई फाइंड द डिफरेंस ऑफ द टू,
डी आर डी
ये
थीटा।
और डी आर,
डी आर डी थीटा।
ओके, तो r तो कहीं आया नहीं।
R कैंसिल हो जा रहा है, माइनस कर रहे हैं अगर।
r कैंसिल हो जाए तो r भी आना चाहिए ना। हाउ वुड द r विल कम? बिकॉज यू नीड r डी थीटा। यस और नो? और आप ऐसा करिए, चलिए छोड़िए, इनर वाले का आपको मालूम है आर्क लेंथ कितना है? इनर वाले का आर्क लेंथ
R माइनस डी आर बाई 2 इंटू
आर माइनस डी आर बाई 2 इंटू डी थीटा।
इंटू डी थीटा, दैट इज द आर्क लेंथ इनर वाले का। आउटर वाले का
Yes,
आर्क
sir.
लेंथ पता है?
यस
तो
सर।
आपको दो रेक्टेंगल कर दीजिए, एक वो रेक्टेंगल, एक जगह ये वाला, दोनों का एरिया लगा के डिफरेंस कैलकुलेट कर लीजिए। ऐसा कर सकते हैं कि नहीं? नहीं, ये तो सोचना जरा, ये होगा। आई डिड इट एक्चुअली, बट आई वांट यू टू जो है डू इट एक्चुअली। ये एरिया समहाउ कैलकुलेट करना है, फाइन। सो
ओके सर, वी
एरिया
विल ट्राई।
कैलकुलेट, हाँ ठीक है। So if you will calculate that, you will get this r dr d theta. और कुछ आपको आसान वे बताऊं? समथिंग
सर
सर एक
एक
बार हम लोग
मतलब
ट्राई
मैंने
करेंगे,
भी
फिर कल
सोचा
आप
था,
एक्सप्लेन।
जस्ट
अभी ट्राई
एक
किया सर, उससे आर
एक
डी थीटा आ रहा था।
आएगा, आएगा, जस्ट आएगा, क्योंकि let's say you are at a distance r distance away from the center. Is that fine?
यस
यस सर।
Now
Yes, sir.
you have you want to make a circle. You want to make a circle, so you have changed it by d theta. So you got a d theta term there. So you got the arc length there. So r d theta is the arc length. अब मैंने इसको dr बढ़ाया, इसको मैंने just dr बढ़ाया, तो I got a rectangle of r d theta multiplied by dr. छोटा सा एलिमेंट मेरा एक जो है रेक्टेंगल बन जाएगा, वो कर्व कुछ नहीं बनेगा, छोटा सा जैसे स्मॉल एलिमेंट। तो मेरे पास आर्क लेंथ तो ये है आर डी थीटा, तो वो मेरा लेंथ ऑफ द रेक्टेंगल हो गया, एंड द विड्थ ऑफ द मीन द रेक्टेंगल इज जस्ट डी आर. So my area would be what? The length into width only.
Yes, sir.
So you got r d theta into dr that way. Is that fine?
Yes, sir. समझ आ गया.
Okay. So you got this way here. So once you will multiply it here, you will get, and then you add all this entire the table ka all the right hand side part. So your first term will get cancelled from all of them. Then again you have a second term, right? Second term here and here you have half, so it will become full. This also you have half here, it will become full. Third is BZ also have half term, it will become full. So your all half term would become full actually. So if you add them up, you will get your equation for your term rho B dot dA would be this equation, the last one. Right? This is the easiest one. First term you just cancel. All other term, the second term will become full, and third term would become full. Third term we have already clubbed it. Rho VR kar diya humne, right? Okay?
Yes, sir.
Hello? This term is being clubbed. ये वाला का term आ जाएगा, because I can show you my derivation here. So if you will do that, so once you have all of them there, so you can add them here. So if you will add them here, so you will get this particular term. This is from your first equation, first two, because you got the term there r rho del rho VR upon del r multiplied by dr d theta by 2 actually, dr d theta dz by 2. So if you add first two term, you will get only this particular term only, ये वाला term, rho VR, this one. This is from your equation number 3 and 4. This is from equation number 4 and 5 and 6. If you add them, now you have these two terms here again. These two again would be clubbed together. ये वाला. Because here also you have rho BR, here also you have the rho BR. So this entire thing would be clubbed together. So if you will club together, you will get del upon the del R, multiply inside the bracket. क्या हो जाएगा? इन दोनों को ऐड कर सकते हैं कि नहीं? ये वाला. So this you can write this here, del R rho BR upon del R. नहीं है तो करके देखो, ऐड तो कर सकते हैं ना. दिस वन वी कैन ऐड देम. Hello?
Yes, sir.
So these two can be added as we have the added previously. So you can also add there. So you will get finally del r rho BR upon del R plus del rho B theta upon del theta plus r del rho BZ upon del Z. Here you also are getting r del rho upon del T. ये कहाँ से आ रहा है पता है? This is from the term for a control volume part here. ये आपने calculate नहीं किया थे. Just calculate this part also within the control volume part. Over the control volume. ये वाला part calculate करिए कितना आता है. So this is from the here only. You know the dimension. You know the area, right? So r d theta is the arc length, dr was the area, and dz was the length. So you got the volume. This volume of the rectangle. Is that fine?
Yes, sir.
This is the arc length.
Yes, sir.
dr is the width. So you got that much of the rectangle multiplied by dz. So you got the volume. Volume multiplied by density. And finally, you got the term here because these the dimensions we are saying these are not the function of time because we are talking about fixed shape and size of the control volume. So all these r d theta, dr, dz are outside the derivative sign. So only density can change with respect to time, not these the dimensions of the control volume. So you got this term here. This term you already calculated from the table. Add all of them. So if you add all of them, you will end up with your continuity equation is this one. ये वाला लास्ट में आपका continuity आएगा ये और इन दोनों को आप ऐड कर दीजिए. Just add these two term here. So this you will get the another term here r del upon del r rho br. इन दोनों को ऐड कर देंगे. That is your continuity. Now how to use it? As we used the previous one there, continuity just to find the dimension of the flow, whether incompressible or compressible. So let's say you have here, the first term would be this. This is for within the control volume mass. So you have this is the volume. So you will get this. Add both the term here. This is what you are getting your continuity here. That 0 del rho upon del t 1 upon r del r rho br upon del r plus 1 upon r here del rho b theta upon del theta del rho bz upon del z. This is your continuity in the cylindrical coordinate. In simplified form, you can write in this way: del rho upon del t plus del rho b. It is the continuity in the cylindrical coordinate. So this we did from this one, from taking differential volume and Taylor series part. This also you can do from totally from your mathematics also. You know the del operator in the cylindrical coordinate. You know the velocity vector. So you can also use the purely mathematics way just to do the derivation of that. I did also, but we will do, I will show that part later on also. That is your question in your worksheet. So we'll do this, just this one problem and we will end it here. I hope you can give 5 minutes for that. So we just now we did the derivation of the continuity. Now we want to use it. How would it be useful to us? So this is the question here, that this is what is given to you. VR is given u cos theta. V theta is also given minus u sin theta. You are supposed to calculate whether it is incompressible flow or not. So if you want to make this continuity for incompressible flow, what would change here? Can you tell me? This is your continuity in cylindrical coordinate. If you want incompressible, means your density is constant. So this density will come out from all this integration sign and this term will go away. Now you have your continuity. Now you what terms you have here? VR and V theta. So you don't have VZ term. So VZ will get cancelled. So you will left only first two terms, this one and this one. This plus this should be equal to 0. If those velocity component given to you satisfying this, it means it is 2D incompressible flow. If not satisfying, means it is not 2D incompressible flow. So can you solve at least first part? Part A. आपको velocity vector दिया है. VR is given u cos theta. V theta is given minus u sin theta. Use this, satisfy the continuity, taking the density constant, incompressible. And let's see what is coming. करो जरा किसको क्या आता है.
So not incompressible.
Let me see what I did. So you have this is your continuity, right? 1 upon r del upon del r rho br 1 upon r rho b theta upon del theta del vz upon del z del rho upon del t. You are talking about 2D incompressible flow. So you don't have jet down. This will get cancelled. Density is also getting cancelled. So you are putting incompressible condition will cancel this term. 2D flow will cancel this term. So finally, your continuity is 1 upon r rho del upon del r rho br 1 upon r rho del v theta upon. So 1 upon r would also go away from here. So you will end up this. So finally, your continuity is in 2D direction, 2D incompressible flow is this. Del upon del r vr plus del v theta upon del theta equal to 0. This is your continuity in r theta plane for incompressible flow. So let's see what you have here. You have vr. So you can calculate the term del r vr upon del r. So this is coming equal to 0 from here. And now you have v theta term here. They have given. ये मैंने b वाला कर रहा हूँ क्या मैं a वाला ये b है I think. A वाला
नहीं सर, ये डिफरेंट पार्ट है. Yes,
हाँ
sir.
तो मैं b a वाला ये है sorry a is this right. So a is this. So you have vr is u cos theta. V theta is this, so you got del v theta upon del theta is minus u cos theta, and RBR you got this one. So you are the satisfying continuity here actually. Therefore, it is 2D incompressible flow. You got the same thing?
Yes, sir. Same आ रहा है.
ठीक है ना? So this is the not a very complicated job. You have this and just differentiate them, add them up. It is equal to 0. It's okay. This is your continuity because वो आपने incompressible लगा दिया. Then this is your continuity. So you can keep in mind this is your continuity in r theta plane. So similar thing can be done for other parts also. That part B also and part C also same way. Okay, so this is the first application of continuity, just to identify the things, the velocity flow field, whether it's compressible or 2D or 3D something, by satisfying the continuity equations. Other problems we will do the later on actually. So we may end up here. So if anyone means other type of problem could be this actually. This is the second type of problem. Previous type of problem was you have everything, you are just checking that whether it's uncompressible or compressible. Second type of problem is this, you have given it is incompressible flow in r theta plane. Now one velocity component is given to you, you are supposed to calculate other velocity component. This is the another type of question. Fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so here you can use the continuity, you can use the velocity field given to you calculate other unknowns here. So if you can you do this for that, at least for this question here, and then we will end up here.
Yes, sir. We'll try.
Yeah, just do. Everybody should do it. Your continuity equation, you know already now that del upon del r in bracket RBR plus del V theta upon del theta equal to 0. That is your continuity, because that's what we got from here. This is your continuity. ये इतना चीज आप ध्यान रखिए, या कहीं पे पेपर पे नोट ही कर लीजिए. This is your continuity in r theta plane. तो इसको करिए, लेट्स सी b थीटा क्या आता है, एक्सप्रेशन फॉर b थीटा.
सर a cos theta by r.
Sir, minus a sin.
Let's see.
So minus
So minus a sin theta by r square.
Sir, minus a sin theta by r square.
चलिए
Theta
देख
by r
लेते हैं.
square. Minus a sin theta by r square.
चलिए. So again, actually, I prefer all the time from the original continuity. So वो आप कर के you will end up here, right? So del upon del r, r b r plus del b theta upon del theta equal to 0. So आपके पास ये दिया है. What is given to you?
सर vr given है.
So
VR given है. So VR कितना है?
Sir, minus a
This
cos
is
theta by r
cos theta by
minus
r
a
square.
cos theta upon r square. You are multiplying by r here. So you are
Yes.
getting this. Now after that, so if you solve it, you are getting that minus a r square sin theta plus a function of fr. Is that fine?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So इंटीग्रेशन कांस्टेंट आया एफ आर. क्यों? कोई जो है एफ आर का जब आप डी थीटा से जो है डिफरेंशिएशन करेंगे, इट विल ऑलवेज गिव ए जीरो हियर, राइट? सो it doesn't matter to you, but b theta could have a function of fr. Fine. Now
Yes, sir.
fr could be any value, it could be any function of r, so you can have infinite number of the functions for b theta. This is fine, but you can put anything for fr here. Okay.
Yes.
So this is the another type of question कि आपको पास एक component दिया है, you can calculate other components. और भी questions हैं, so we can do it those part later on. So this part we will do in the next class actually. Now second thing, what about the next week?
The vacation है next week छुट्टी.
Yeah, I know. So would it be possible to continue or give me somewhere some at least 3 hours somewhere? एक दिन दे दो. Not every day.
सर वेकेशंस के बाद कहीं पे एडजस्ट कर लेंगे.
वैकेशन में एडजस्ट नहीं हो रहा है तो वैकेशन के बाद कैसे होगा?
वो कर लेंगे सर.
No, I am thinking you just think it at least. देखिए हमें पढ़ाने के लिए तो पढ़ा ही रहे, ठीक है, बट यदि आप दे दोगे तो अच्छा रहेगा.
सर एक्चुअली हम डिस्कस करके ग्रुप पे आपको बता देंगे.
हाँ, that's fine. Yeah, that's fine. No problem, no compulsion or anything. Yeah, दे दोगे तो अच्छा है क्योंकि this month now is over I think because next class because ये 30 तारीख तक चलेगा ना. I hope 30th तक है ना ये, तो 30th के बाद ये चलते ही रहेगा. Then you will have November. So आपका लास्ट वर्किंग डे भी आने वाला है. सेकंड से तो आपका एग्जाम ही है. So anyway, कोई बात नहीं. If you can give it time, that's well and good. ठीक है. And वो tutorials जो आपका दिया है fluid statics and all this, that everybody I hope might have the submitted now. So maybe at least one day we can discuss all those tutorials and worksheet. एक दिन आप मुझे देके वो काम फिनिश करा दीजिए. Fine.
सर ट्यूटोरियल्स तो ऑलरेडी डिस्कस हो चुके थे ना?
पल्लवी यू हैव डिस्कस ओनली. बाकी क्लास का तो हाँ वो भी ठीक है. वो तो हो गया तो ठीक है, बट फिर भी मुझे आप टाइम दे दोगे तो मैं कुछ और पढ़ा दूंगा. बहुत कुछ है पढ़ाने के लिए.
ओके सर.
ठीक है.
डिस्कस करके बता दें.
हाँ डिस्कस कर लीजिए
Okay.
आराम से. सो व्हाटएवर यू पीपल कंक्लूड. फाइन.
सर सबमिट कहाँ पे करना है क्लास वर्क को?
क्या करना है?
सर आज का जो कहते हैं नोट डाउन किया काम सबमिट कहाँ पे?
हाँ वो आप वो जो है गूगल क्लास पे मतलब जो है अपलोड कर दीजिए.
सर एक्चुअली वहाँ पे कोई लिंक नहीं है अपलोड को.
आई विल क्रिएट नाउ एक्चुअली. ओके.
ओके सर.
This is just to actually make sure that all class should write it. क्योंकि actually क्या हो क्या रहा है, presentation at this level actually the having class on presentation is not actually a good option, क्योंकि presentation में क्या है 100 स्लाइड है, मतलब स्क्रॉल डाउन करने में ज्यादा टाइम जो है मतलब जो है जाता नहीं है, बट कैन एनी पर्सन कैप्चर दैट मच, दैट्स इज द क्वेश्चन मार्क। इसीलिए ब्लैक बोर्ड टीचिंग इट शुड गो इन स्लो पेस। प्रेजेंटेशन है कोई बात नहीं, बट शुड गो इन स्लो पेस, लोग कुछ उसको साथ साथ करें, समझे, दैट्स हैपन। सो दैट इज द ओनली थिंग कि एटलीस्ट एवरीबॉडी शुड डू समथिंग। छोटा मोटा मल्टीप्लिकेशन डिवीजन साथ के साथ कर रहे हैं तो थोड़ा इंटरेस्ट बना रहेगा, राइट। अदरवाइज ऐसे लगता है बोरिंग थिंग वी आर समहाउ टॉलरेटिंग। ये मूवी तो है नहीं, दिस इज नॉट ए मूवी, ये कोर्स का काम है, इसके लिए दिमाग भी लगाना पड़ेगा। तो ये तभी लगेगा जब कुछ करेंगे, तो इसीलिए पेन एंड पेपर पे कुछ करते रहोगे, इट विल लुक लाइक गुड आल्सो फ्रॉम योर साइड, फ्रॉम माय साइड आल्सो। ओके, चलो, we will end up. So enjoy your vacation. If you can manage the time, you can drop me the message, and if you have any doubt anytime, you can drop me either in group or maybe in personal WhatsApp and call, but try to keep on doing the thing. Okay?
Okay, sir. Thank
Happy
you.
Dussehra, sir.
Yeah,
Advance.
happy Dussehra you people too. Chalo, bye.
Thank you, sir.